feel good. You know why I feel good? Today's the day that I start eating Panda Express for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 7 days straight. I'm feeling good about it. Here we go. It's lunchtime. I missed breakfast. Also, they're not really open at breakfast, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do for breakfast yet, considering they don't serve breakfast. I got string bean chicken, which looks like it's some sort of chicken stir fry with onions and green beans, just over steamed white rice. Oh yeah! This is gonna be an amazing week. I can feel it already. I also got spring rolls, a little dip action. I feel like these are gonna be a mainstay of the challenge. Another side note, I absolutely hate fortune cookies, but I'm gonna have to eat one every single meal, otherwise the fortune's not gonna come true. Oh, this is so disappointing. Your challenges will disappear in the face of great kindness today. This is a challenge, but no amount of kindness is gonna get this to disappear. All right, we got 2-item plate with crab rangoon, Beijing beef, fried rice. Ooh, it's got a little heat. Can't eat all of it. Don't eat all of it. This is my girlfriend.
Oh, hi. You have a charming way with words.
Oh, yeah. That's what's up. I just woke up. I'm not really feeling that good. My stomach hurts, and I don't really want to eat any panda for breakfast, I can tell you that. My dog doesn't want it either. Just rolled into work, and now I'm going to reheat my breakfast bowl. Oh my god, it smells like something I don't want right now. This is not going to be an easy thing to finish.
Accept kindness from others.
Accept kindness from others?
It's not really a fortune.
That's not a fortune at all. All right, lunch is here. The glorious orange chicken with chow mein. Is the chow mein usually cinnamony? This is gnarly today. Nicholas, read my fortune.
Your fortune says, listen to your heart.
Listen to my heart? That's what it says? I've been driving home from work and all I can think of is how much I don't really want Panda Express right now. All right, it's here. I gotta be honest, I smelled it and I got a little hungry again. This is a premium menu item. It's got real Angus beef and fried rice and I think green beans. Go. This is actually remarkably good.
You are a considerate and thoughtful person.
I'm awesome. I have a charming way with words and I'm considerate and thoughtful.
Panda Express really has some
Look
words of
at you.
wisdom.
You got a catch. All right, day 3. Woke up with the same headache. I'm looking at you, Panda Express. Got the leftover noodles from yesterday with a little soy sauce, with a little orange chicken. Cold noodles for breakfast actually really good.
Do you have to eat the cookie?
Literally everyone is saying that. I don't like them.
You will receive a prestigious prize.
All right, we're back at location 1. The first day we got the homie Benison.
Baby!
We're gonna eat some panda today.
Panda time!
Benison's clearly not doing the challenge. Because if you're doing the challenge, you know that you gotta go with a bowl every single time.
You tripping. If I was on the challenge, I'd get 2 entrees every time.
Oh my god, dude. This is so much food, bro.
Look at that. Look at that.
I missed the bowl a little bit.
Bro, this is difficult, bro. You have everyone do this?
Yeah?
Oh, this is long, this is long, dude. This is
Probably
the
like
most
a
words I've
real
ever seen. Life's greatest joys come from sharing good times with friends and family.
Oh, thanks, Panda.
Dude,
That's a
here,
good one.
you gotta eat it.
I hate them.
What?
I know.
You know they don't come true if you don't eat them.
Attaboy. Something I noticed is that since I started doing this, my skin is incredibly dry. So, got my homie Tyler to give me some of this fancy lotion, and it's making my hands feel great. Today's the day where the effects really have been hitting me. So I think I've decided that tonight would be a good night to treat myself with a face mask, honey walnut shrimp, and an egg roll. All right, we got Panda Bowl, honey walnut shrimp over brown rice. Premium item. A little bit more expensive, but so worth it. Gotta get that dip action in. Also delicious. Fortune cookie dinner, night 3. We got olive.
You will have good luck in your personal affairs.
We got breakfast, day 4. Over the 3-day hump, everything's going good. I don't want this for breakfast anymore. Lunch and dinner, that's fine, but no more breakfast.
With great risk comes great reward.
Oh,
Panda Express.
that's nice. Lunchtime, day 4. I'm with Tyler. We just happened upon a Panda Express that has options that you can't find probably anywhere else. You can get a Chinese wrap called a Bing. You can get it on a salad. You can get it. I guess that's it. What'd you get, Tyler?
Some beef with broccoli and fried rice,
All right,
and
a
some
bowl.
skepticism.
All right, here we have a Bing. It's a Chinese wrap, similar to a burrito, and it's filled with chow mein and double Beijing beef. Yeah, baby, here we go. That's good. That's real good, guys. I can eat this every day, and I do. This Panda Express has a milk tea bar. I got a creme brulee milk tea. Oh yeah. It's pretty good. It's really good. It's very good.
Advice given to you will be well worth following.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Cool. Well, I don't know. But the Panda Express that we went to was so fancy and so great, they sold these crispy noodles. Fried rice and mushroom chicken. Mushroom chicken's something I've never had before, so we'll see. That's really good. I might not feel great, but everything I've eaten has been delicious. Also, the kids' meal comes with a chocolate chip cookie, which is amazing. What's up? Can you please read my fortune for tonight?
Yeah. A message from a distance is coming.
I made a huge mistake, and I forgot to get some extra panda for breakfast this morning. But it's okay, because Alina went ahead and she picked some up for me for breakfast, so I wouldn't miss a meal. All right, it looks like Alina got me 8 treasured chicken, and it's got sausage in it, I guess. I think this is the best breakfast that I've had so far.
Call a friend.
Oh, I did that. I got it delivered, and I think I got the last thing that I haven't had on the menu, so pretty excited. Teriyaki chicken with crispy shrimp and white rice, because I thought that would be good. I also got crab rangoons, because you gotta treat yourself.
You will surround yourself with warmth and riches.
That's warmth and riches. Look around you. Walking out of work, thinking about how in, a couple short minutes, I'm going to be going to Panda Express again. I actually might throw up. My friend Jesse's birthday, her boyfriend Carter made everybody homemade ramen, and I don't get to eat it. I brought me a delicious Panda Express treat.
Michael. Oh no, I ripped it.
What?
It's fine. The sky is the limit this month. So keep eating Panda Express because it's gonna be great.
I just woke up. It's like 11:45. I didn't mean to sleep this late, but I think that I'm just having to sleep off all this salt. I'm ready for this to be over. I got 2 more days I gotta push through. All right, my girlfriend and I are at the Culver City Mall. All right, my girlfriend and I are at the Century City Mall, and there's a panda here. I mean, this is like the nicest Panda Express I've ever been to. It's in a food court, but check it out. It's bougie Panda Express. I'm eating this eggplant tofu bowl. Tofu's really good, if you're into tofu. It's like the fattest eggplant I've ever seen. Here we go. Well, this is an unbelievable omen. There is no fortune inside of this cookie. What does that mean?
Oh,
Let's see what we got. Oh, yes! It's like so much sweet fire chicken breast. And it's so good. Hell yeah. Take a dry bite. Pour it in. Oh yeah. Ugh. You have the ability to excel in novel areas. Yes! It's the last day! And I just woke up. We got some leftovers. We got the omelet. We're gonna throw some leftovers in that omelet. Is this disgusting? Maybe. Hey! That looks pretty good! It just tastes like the fried rice with more egg in it. And the egg is my favorite part of the fried rice, so successful. Pretty good. You want some of this? Your silent efforts are about to be rewarded. All right, because it's the last day. I'm getting rewarded by not having to do this anymore. Just a bowl, chow mein, and 8 treasure chicken. Oh yeah. I'm gonna miss this. This is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I just opened it. Look at this. It is a sealed, empty fortune cookie. That's 2 days in a row. Yesterday we had one with no fortune. Now I have one with no cookie. Well, everybody, we did it. And by we did it, I mean I did it. I ate Panda Express for 7 days, 20 meals in a row, and I only threw up once. Am I gonna miss it? Probably not. Am I gonna go to Panda again? Probably not for a while. But this is it. Signing off, I guess. Oh, I don't want this anymore.